Hello, New Skin family. I'm Dr. Joe Chang, Chief Scientific Officer here at New Skin. And joining me today is Heather Cruz, Vice President of Global Corporate Social Responsibility and Sustainability.
Hi, everybody.
As you know, New Skin is a beauty and wellness leader. But what is it that helps us secure this title? It is our ingenuity and innovative science, our hunger to continue learning what can help each one of us look, feel, and live young. It is this passion that driven us to create products that deliver only the best results so you can discover the best you. So, what does it take to develop these products? Well, expertise, experience, and a commitment to going the extra mile. First, I'd like to talk about our expertise. This comes from our close to 75 in-house scientists whose combined knowledge helps us stay on the forefront of beauty and wellness. It also includes our New Skin Scientific Advisory Board members who span a broad range of disciplines and whose expertise continues to support our innovation and product development. And what better environment to conduct key research and testing than our state-of-the-art research centers located here in Provo, Utah and Shanghai, China. How about our experience? Well, here at New Skin, we are always looking for what's new and what's next. We don't rely on what's popular in the industry or depending solely on research conducted by outside parties. Our own pioneering science has been validated with 38 oral presentations, 93 scientific posters, 29 published scientific articles, and 36 age-locked patents. When it comes to our scientific process and our commitment to innovation, we truly walk the talk. Now let's talk about our commitment to going the extra mile. As we develop products, we take great care to ensure efficacy and quality every step of the way, because we know that it is the only way we can deliver truly remarkable products that give you the benefits you deserve. This is where our 6S quality process comes in. This rigorous, highly integrated set of activities for testing and validating product integrity is what you could call our secret sauce. Because we don't just do the bare minimum and check a box, so to speak. We go the extra mile to ensure consistent quality in each and every one of our beauty and wellness products. So let's talk about each 6S step. Selection is the first step of the 6S process, and it involves selecting only the best ingredients. Our scientists review scientific journals and collaborate with each other, and when necessary, outside collaborators as well. Experts from a variety of scientific fields, such as nutrition, biology, immunology, chemistry, biochemistry, and dermatology helps us select ingredients that meet our stringent criteria for inclusion in Pharmanex and New Skin products. Each ingredient needs to be of high quality, effective, and of course suitable for formulation. Next, we have sourcing. After selecting the ingredients that meet our qualifications, we analyze the source because quality and effective products begin with quality ingredients. Sources may be domestic or international. The quality and concentration of key ingredients are key factors in choosing a supplier. We identify the best source for ingredients based on 1. Availability, 2. Quality, 3. Suitability for the specific formulation, and 4th, and concentration of key ingredient components. Third is specification. This step overlaps with selection and sourcing because it involves a list of criteria we have established for selecting ingredients from the best sources to guide consistent quality manufacturing and approval of the finished product for sale. For finished products, we have created specifications to help establish an approval basis for active compounds, ingredients, and criteria for finished products. Our fourth step is standardization. To ensure the delivery of high quality and effective products, we have established rigorous standards. Our scientists understand the importance of standardization to provide effective levels of ingredients and evaluate essential ingredient activity in every product. Also, you can get the same quality from every product, every time. Next is safety. Safety is really woven through all of the steps in our 6S quality process. We adhere to the product safety standards imposed by applicable regulations and by reviewing literature and conducting standard safety assessments. Testing of the final product may include microbiology, heavy metals, and other contaminant testing. In addition, with beauty products, testing for irritation potential is part of developing the formula. And finally, we have substantiation. Creating high quality and effective products is at the heart of scientific innovation. We ensure our claims are substantiated with scientific data. Rather than relying on anecdotal evidence, we rely instead on scientific evidence and conduct our own scientific studies when necessary. Often, our research is presented at prestigious conferences, which further substantiates our scientific innovation. Remember the posters and oral presentations I mentioned before? These help us further substantiate the claims we make. Our products will do what we say they are going to do. That's our promise to you. And speaking of promises, Heather is going to talk about an important promise, a commitment, if you will, that we have made.
That's right, Joe. It's a commitment we have made to our Nu Skin family, to our customers around the globe, and to our planet. I'm talking about our commitment to be more sustainable. This touches every facet of our company, from our buildings around the world to our product packaging. According to Euromonitor, in 2018, 7.9 billion plastic pieces were created for beauty products in the US alone. We're committed to doing our part to reduce this number. In fact, many products from across our portfolio are getting a packaging overhaul to support our sustainability efforts, like new EcoPack packaging for some of our Epic products. By moving to the EcoPack, we estimate we will save approximately 67 tons of virgin plastic in the next year compared to the old Epic packaging, based on 2020 global sales volumes and excluding China. Using PCR, or recycled plastic, helps reduce plastic waste. For our Nutricentials line, the bottles are 100% PCR, and we've eliminated cartons whenever possible. The tubes are made with anywhere from 34 to 40% post-consumer resin or recycled plastic. Plus, more than 90% of our palm ingredients are sourced following Roundtable on Sustainable Palm Oil, or RSPO guidelines. RSPO is a third-party, not-for-profit focusing on preventing deforestation, protecting endangered animals, promoting fair working conditions, and promoting sustainable farming practices. Speaking of ingredients, we're excited to share that we are building an online ingredient dictionary on our global sustainability website. Have you ever wondered what certain ingredients in your products are? The Ingredient Dictionary is an online resource we'll be adding to over the next several months, which you can use to better understand the function of the ingredients in the products you love. Check it out at newskin.com/sustainability. You can also find more information about our sustainability initiatives here. We're doing our best to make our products more sustainable, and people have noticed. In fact, this year we've received awards for many of our sustainable products, like the Pure Beauty Award for Nutricentials 2B Clear Cleansing Gel. Epic Baobab Body Butter was the Global Green Beauty Awards Gold winner for Best Shea Butter Product. We also received a Global Green Beauty Award for Nutricentials In Balance pH Balance Toner, which was the Best Aloe Vera Bronze winner. And finally, Nu Skin just recently received the Utah Business 2021 Green Business Award as a winner in the Corporate Initiative category. But we don't stop there. As I mentioned, our buildings are also part of this commitment to be sustainable. And we are committing to building a global network of zero waste facilities. What does this mean? It means that starting with our global headquarters and distribution center in Provo, we're working to divert 90% or more of our non-hazardous waste from landfills. In 2020 alone, we recycled a total of 115 tons of material at our Provo campus. How are we achieving this? By reducing, reusing, recycling, and tracking our progress. We also understand that the best method for reducing our waste is to avoid using it in the first place. We also recognize that climate change is a global issue that is bigger than any one individual or company. However, we believe that we can make a difference by reducing our carbon footprint and are looking for ways to proactively engage and do our part. By 2023, we expect to be able to assess, score, and make plans for improved environmental impact with each and every one of our products. Just think about the impact we can have as we strive to improve all of our products. And by 2030, we have a goal to change all of our packaging to be recycled, recyclable, reusable, reduced, or renewable. We are committed and are on track to achieving these goals. Just as we are committed to bringing you only the best products so you can discover the best you, this company-wide focus to be more environmentally conscious is certainly a true testament to our passion for being a force for good around the world and to the world. Thank you so much for all that you do to help us in this endeavor.
And thank you for joining us, everybody. So long.
Bye.